Hi and welcome to section 5 about HTTP and web server. In the previous section we already saw how to set up a web server in Node. In this section we will look into more high-level libraries that will help you in creating a web application. Now we move on to the first video of this section that deals with Express.js, a Node.js library to create a web application. In this video we're going to take a look at how to handle requests. We will also build a REST API towards the end of the course, and we will serve an HTTP document with a template. First of all, we will convert our server.js file to an Express application. Express.js will use under the hood the Node.js HTTP library. So we need to install Express.js first. Then we need to require the Express library on top of our file. So for Express, Express has a routing algorithm built in. m.get. Then we define our path. Then we have a callback with request and response. The request response is just like in the callback of our HTTP method. Do you see here? Great. Then we can just copy paste or else block here. Now we can do the same for the post method. And then we take our code here in our old method, and we paste it in m.post. So for every HTTP REST option, we have a method in Express. Now we can remove the old method. We can make our code shorter by using the route method. Here we go. Then at the end we need to listen to a certain port, in our case 8080. The only thing that we need to change here is server into app, because it's our Express app that needs to listen to that port. Now let's test this out by doing node server. Now we go to localhost 8080. Great. Remember our post CLI program? We can execute this to do requests to our web server. So we do node index post express. And Express brings it to uppercase. So our post method is working too. Let me explain how you can serve an HTML document. In a lot of web application frameworks, you have the option to use a templating engine. In Express, we can do this as well. We can use, for example, Pug. So first of all, we need to install Pug to our project. So with app.set view engine, we can tell Express which templating engine we're going to use. So in our case, it's Pug. Now we create an index.pug file in the views folder. And we create the following content. First of all, we start with HTML. Then we have a head. In that head, we have a title equals title. And then we have a body. And then we have an h1 element with a message. Then we create a route that renders the index.pug file. So first of all, we use app.get. Then, for example, we say off the path hello. We set a variable title and message to the templating file, and we do that as follows. First of all, we use response.render to render and to use our templating engine. Then we say what the name is of our template file, in our case index. And then we define our variable that we are going to send to our templating engine. So in our case title. Message hello there. Now we can start our server again, and then we need to go to /hello, and then we see here hey in the title and hello there in our h1 element. Now we can also use path variables as follow. And then in the request object we have a variable params, and there we have our path variable. This way we add some dynamic layer to our application. Then we can start our server with node server. Then we add something to our pod. For example, something. Then here we have our title something. In this video you learned how to work with Express.js.